When divorce mediation may not work. Recognizing high conflict or unsafe situations, divorce mediation offers couples a path to resolving disputes without relying entirely on a judge. When spouses are open and cooperative, they can shape their own agreements, saving time, money, and emotional strain. But mediation isn't appropriate for every case. Imbalances of power, dishonesty, or unresolved conflict can make sessions unsafe or unfair. New York mediators depend on trust and transparency. Both spouses must disclose all income, debts, and assets for any settlement to be valid. The mediator watches for red flags such as one party controlling conversations, withholding financial information, or a history of domestic tension. When warning signs appear, mediators have ethical obligations to pause or stop mediation and may advise each party to consult an attorney or move the case to court. A skilled Manhattan divorce mediation lawyer like Juan Luciano helps clients evaluate whether mediation truly fits their circumstances and steps in when legal protection is needed. High conflict situations. A high conflict divorce is characterized by persistent hostility and attempts to win rather than find common ground. Accusations, threats, and tactics to delay proceedings indicate that meaningful negotiation has broken down. Some people misuse the legal system itself by filing unnecessary motions or ignoring court orders, undermining the cooperation required for mediation. Without emotional control and mutual respect, discussions devolve into arguments about the past. Domestic violence or emotional abuse make mediation unsafe. New York mediators must screen for abuse, and if it exists, you have the right to stop sessions immediately. Power imbalances, such as one spouse's control over finances or emotional intimidation, also erode fairness. Hiding assets or refusing to provide financial documents leaves mediators unable to craft a fair settlement. Substance abuse or untreated mental health issues may impair decision-making. Mediators can stop sessions if a participant can't engage responsibly. Warning signs and risks. If mediation sessions repeatedly end in shouting or silence, the environment is no longer productive. Mediator bias or poor conflict management, such as favoritism or ignoring key issues, can erode trust. Breaching confidentiality by using private discussions outside of mediation to intimidate or manipulate is a serious violation. You can leave mediation whenever you feel pressured, unheard, or unsafe. Continuing under unsafe conditions can lead to coerced settlements that don't reflect your interests. Reversing such agreements later is difficult. Unsafe mediation can also cause emotional harm and reopen old wounds, leading to anxiety and exhaustion, and disputes may resurface later if agreements made under pressure prove unworkable. Alternatives and preparation. If mediation breaks down, alternative dispute resolution methods exist. Shuttle mediation keeps spouses separate while the mediator moves between them, reducing tension and intimidation. Mediation with attorney support allows you to have your legal representative present or to consult privately during sessions. This hybrid approach is common in high conflict cases and helps keep negotiations balanced. Combining mediation and litigation lets couples settle straightforward issues through mediation while leaving complex disputes for court. Judges often encourage partial settlements and incorporate agreements into the final judgment. Before entering mediation, screening for safety and seeking legal advice can identify power imbalances. Establishing ground rules, such as listening without interrupting and focusing on solutions, creates a respectful space. Remember that stepping away from mediation is not failure. Sometimes a structured legal process better protects your rights and well-being. Working with an experienced law firm ensures that your interests remain central throughout the process. Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer is a Manhattan law firm offering steady, results-driven support for divorce mediation cases. Certified to represent both children and adults in family law matters, Mr. Luciano combines genuine empathy with strategic thinking, helping his clients clearly express their needs and find common ground in every negotiation. Fluent in Spanish and recognized for integrity, He guides clients through mediation when it's productive and stands firm when legal intervention is necessary. For those unsure whether mediation is right, consult a knowledgeable legal professional to explore your options and protect your future. His office is located at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, and he can be reached at 212-537-5859.